Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable OneDrive in Windows 10. If this helps, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna click on the Start menu at the bottom left of the screen. And from here, type Group Policy Editor. And click on Enter button. And it will open a Windows pop-up named Local Group Policy Editor. Once the Group Policy Editor is open, navigate to the following path. First of all, click on the Computer Configuration. From here, choose Administrative Templates. Select Windows Components. Then choose OneDrive. And here you will see an option, Prevent the usage of OneDrive for file storage. Double-click on this option to open it. And then select Enabled. This will completely disable OneDrive on your system. After that, click on the Apply and OK button. And now your OneDrive will be disabled on your system. If you want to enable it again, then normally double-click on it and choose Disabled or Not Configured. Additionally, to prevent OneDrive from launching at startup, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape together. And under the Startup tab, find Microsoft OneDrive. Right-click on it and select Disable. Here you can see that I already disabled it, so you can see here our option named Enable is showing. Finally, you can uninstall OneDrive by going to Settings. So normally click on the Startup menu, select the gear icon, then select Apps, and then search here Microsoft OneDrive. Click on it and choose Uninstall. And that's it. You have successfully disabled OneDrive on your Windows 10 PC. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.